Separate electric welfare wheelchair, loading effect, and operation. One-touch access control. Introduction to wired and wireless remote controllers. Long press the button. Hydraulic drive is more stable, precise, and without friction. Release the handle to stop during operation. Mechanical linkage retracting saves more space in the car. Only when lowered to the ground with a beep can the wheelchair be rolled out smoothly. Replace the handles and push the wheelchair out. After pushing the wheelchair out, you can use the knob to switch from manual to electric mode. Turn on the power and push the remote control lever. Honeycomb wheels, shock absorption, and stable ride. Electromagnetic braking stops instantly even on slopes. The wheelchair's climbing ability can reach the standard level of 12. The knob on one side of the armrest adjusts the handle angle. This accommodates different user needs. When using, turn on the power first. Knob backwards. Family members cannot push the car in electric mode. Switch to manual mode. Can be used when the battery is dead or needs to be returned to the car. The wheelchair needs to change the battery in manual mode. Remove the left and right rotation buttons. Remove the shield to replace the battery. Remove the interface for replacement. After replacement, restore the cover. Spare batteries can be purchased separately. Safety horns equipped on the wheelchair enhance driving security. 5 gears can be added or subtracted to adjust the speed. 360 joystick for flexible steering. Charging port, car power supply or home 220 volts power supply. 5 to 6 hours to fully charge. Wheelchair range 20 kilometers. Speed 6 kilometers per hour. Electric backrest adjustable 165. Ergonomically designed for the most comfortable sitting angle. Detachable foldable one-way footrest. Long press the button to unlock the lock. The footrest can be folded inwards. Lift up to remove. Align the pedal to the interface and gently push it inward to complete the restoration. The leg rest can be adjusted in 3 levels, and you can choose to wear it or not. Both armrests can be adjusted up and down. It is convenient for users to transfer more easily during the movement process. Hidden storage space, meeting daily travel needs. Adjustable and removable headrest, meet the different needs of more customers. Switch the wheelchair to manual mode and gently pull back the mechanism. Make the seat fit the equipment perfectly. The wheels align with the slots and the wheelchair is in place. 2 pairs of safety buckles at the bottom to prevent accidental sliding during driving. Wheelchair chest strap, prevent falls and maintain sitting posture. 3-point seat belt, prevents accidental sliding and makes travel safer. Long press the up button to easily get on the bus. Super strong load-bearing capacity of 300 caddies. The upgraded medium and large commercial vehicles provides better comfort for passengers. A beep indicates that the wheelchair has been retracted into place. Door interlock. After closing the door, the seat buttons will be unavailable immediately, preventing battery drain. Opening the door will wake up the handle and resume device operation. Leather, color, quilting, etc. can be customized. We will help every person with limited mobility to travel freely.